Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be looking at how to build a text-to-speech program using Python. This is a very simple project that most of you will need about 20 lines of code, and it's perfect for anyone at any level. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, you can definitely learn something from this video. So without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so for this project we'll be using the pyttsx3 module. So head on over to your terminal and type pip install pyttsx3 and hit enter and you'll have it in no time. I'll start off by importing the module we just installed, the pyttsx3. This pyttsx3 library is a text-to-speech conversion library that works offline and uses your system's built-in voice engines. Next, we're going to define a function and we're going to call this function text-to-speech, and I give it two parameters, text and also file name, and I'll set it to speech output.wave. This text will be used to convert the user sentence or paragraph to speech. This file name will be the name of the audio file to save. It defaults to speech output.wave if the user doesn't specify one. So basically your output file will be text to speech output.wave. You can change it to something else if you prefer, but just make sure it's a .wave file, otherwise you'll run into errors. Next, we're going to create a variable and we're going to call it engine, and I'll set it to pyttsx3 init. This line initializes the pyttsx3 engine. Think of it like starting up a car engine. It prepares the speech engine so we can use it. Then we're going to create a variable called voices and set it to engine get property. In these parentheses, we're going to have voices. This retrieves a list of all available voices on your system, usually one male and one female voice. Now we're going to say engine set property, and in these parentheses, we're going to have voice. Voices ID, and in these square brackets you can have 1 or 0. 0 is for male and 1 is for female. I'm going to have voices set to 1 for the female voice, but you can experiment between the two voices and see which one sounds better for you. Also, I'm going to have a comment over here so you can easily reference and remember what each number does. Next, we're going to say engine set property, and in these parentheses we're going to have rate 150. This sets the speed of the voice. The default is usually around 200. Lower numbers make the voice speak slower and higher numbers make it speak fast. But I'll set it to 150. Again, you can adjust this in your own time. Then we're going to say engine save to file. In these parentheses, we're going to have text file name instead of just speaking the text. This line over here tells the engine to generate an audio and save it as a .wave file. Now we're going to say engine run and wait. This line runs the engine and waits until all the speech is processed before throwing up a success message. Without this, the audio file wouldn't be generated properly. Then we're going to create a print statement and we're going to print audio saved, and we'll call the file name parameter we created earlier. Next, we're going to add this line. This line checks whether the script is being run directly in the main file and not being imported as a module or in another script. If it is, this line will execute. Then we're going to greet the user when they run the program in the terminal or command prompt by saying print welcome to the text-to-speech program. Next, we're going to create a variable and we're going to call it user input, and we'll set it to input. Enter the text you want to convert to speech, and we're going to have this on a new line. So basically this prompts the user to enter the speech or paragraph they want us to convert to speech. Now we're on our last line and we're going to say text to speech. In these parentheses we're going to call the user input variable. This line calls the text-to-speech function using the user input text. The result is a .wave file saved to your Python project folder. And that's it. Let's go ahead and run the program. It's welcoming us to the text-to-speech program and it's prompting us to enter the text we want to convert to speech. I'm going to have don't forget to hit the like and share button, also comment and share. Then click enter, and it says audio saved as speech output.wave. Now if you go to the folder where your Python file is, you'll find a new file called text-to-speech output.wave, and here's how it sounds.
Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe buttons. Also comment and share.
And that's it for this one. If you enjoyed or found this video helpful in any way, shape or form, then consider leaving a like and subscribing. Turn on post notifications to be the first to know when I upload a new video. Also, I'm always looking to improve. If you have any constructive criticism or any questions or just want to say hi, then leave that in the comment section below. And until next time, thanks for watching. Peace.